जंगली जानवर तो नहीं बनेंगे. The expert has spoken. This must be a show. I'd like to do a barter deal on camera. Welcome to Fragrance Talks with Riddhi and Renil. I'm an expert on this, Riddhi. Paycheck is double. Touch up. Hi guys, I'm Renil Abraham. Today we're on the sets of SSBeauty with their very own in-house fragrance expert, Riddhi Shah.
Hi Renil.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Today we're going to be answering the most Googled fragrance questions.
Yes.
You're the first fragrance expert I have met.
Oh, thank you.
Are there many?
Yeah, there are many.
Lots.
Yes.
Okay. First question that is the most Googled is, what is the difference between fragrance and perfume? Even I don't know, because I feel like I've also used this very interchangeably.
Yeah, okay.
I've heard people do this.
Yeah.
Is there a difference?
Yes, there is a difference. Like in basically beauty and fashion industry or in this sector, the word fragrance and perfume is interchangeably used, as you said correctly, you know. But fragrance is something which gives perfume its scent.
Oh.
So fragrance, actually the fragrance defines a perfume.
So perfume is basically the base
of
this.
it,
Okay.
yes. And fragrance, there are category of fragrances.
Yeah, but
First.
second most Googled question is, should I spray my perfume on my skin or on my clothes?
Fragrances perfumes are basically sprayed on your pulse points or on your skin. There was the right answer. Pulse points are the wrist. You spray on your elbows. And basically on your skin, as I defined, when you use it on your neckline. These are to be used on your neckline for more longevity of the fragrance. It lasts long as it blends with your body chemistry.
The next most Googled fragrance question is, how can I make my perfume last longer throughout the day?
One should ideally first pick up an eau de parfum.
EDP.
EDP.
For normal people like me.
Yeah, yes. So it's the parfum which you pick up, because the concentration of the essential oil is higher in a parfum. So when you take a shower and you come out and you just spray, if you want, you can do it all over also.
Yeah.
As I said, it can be sprayed onto the skin.
Yeah.
But yes, it is to be used that way.
Yeah. Your pulse points.
Yeah, pulse points.
Love it.
Yeah.
But since you said this EDP,
yes,
I have one very important most Googled question.
Okay.
And I understand why this is the most Googled question, because normal people don't know things like this.
Yes.
What is the difference between EDP and EDC and EDT?
Okay, as again I said, the fragrance concentration level defines a perfume.
Which you said EDP has the most.
Yeah. So if you
winner.
So now as we define this, the EDP is known as the eau de parfum. The EDC is known as the eau de cologne.
Yes.
The EDT is known as the eau de toilette. So the concentration level in the eau de parfum is going to be up to 20% of the essential oil.
Got it.
So the cologne is going to be the lowest, ideally we can say. It has only 4%, which is really very mild. But a lot of people do prefer a cologne, you know. If they just want to freshen up and feel refreshed, they are basically more onto fresh and aquatic fragrances.
And is that a lot more mild as compared?
Yes, it's a milder version of it. And the last but not the least is the eau de toilette, which has a concentration level of the essential oil up to 15%.
So we learned EDP,
EDC,
EDC and EDT.
And EDT.
Phenomenal. Next most Googled fragrance question, okay?
Yep.
This is one for the boys.
Okay.
They're asking, what are the top masculine scents that drive women wild?
So we have a couple of fragrances which are like really nice, basically. I would not use the word wild, making the women. But yes, they smell really good on all the men.
Jungli जानवर तो नहीं बनेंगे.
Definitely not. That's the reason I said it's a more sober, good fragrances. There we have the Prada Luna Rosa Black.
Yes, yes.
That's one of a very nice fragrance.
Yeah.
The second is the Victor and Rolf Spice Bomb.
Oh, this is nice. I've never tried this before.
That's very nice. It's a spicy fragrance, something very good.
Yeah.
And the longevity of the fragrance is also very nice.
My favorite is always Dior Sauvage.
Yeah, how can we forget that? Of course, Dior Sauvage is one of the
I mean, I have not
fragrance which actually very nice.
It's very nice.
Yeah, it smells really very good. Then we have one fragrance from Dolce & Gabbana.
Yes.
That's the one. It's one of their classic collection.
The one, yes.
Yeah, the one. But that's the very good fragrance.
Very good. Okay, next most Googled fragrance question is, which scent do men find most attractive on women?
The best fragrance, like I would say my personal fragrance, is Burberry Body Intense. It's an EDP Intense, which is a fab fragrance again.
Fab. The expert has spoken. Burberry.
Body Intense.
Body Intense it is.
Yes,
I love
Intense.
it. Yeah.
It's a very good fragrance.
Yeah.
It's a feminine fragrance though. The packaging of the bottle, everything is exclusive.
Oh, love it.
It's very nice. The second fragrance I would recommend will be Flower Bomb by Victor and Rolf.
Oh, this is the same Spice Bomb
Spice
people?
Bomb, yeah. They have this fragrance. The Flower Bomb is amazing.
Oh, very cool.
It's a very good fragrance for women, which is very attractive as well.
Oh, nice.
Then we have the Valentina Donna from Roma. Even Valentino is a very good brand, having this women fragrance, which is one of the best-selling one, which women prefer nowadays. So they like something like that
I like that. I mean, on that note, I'll take one of the most Googled questions, which is, can I use fragrance meant for the opposite sex?
Fragrance is something which is an individual choice.
Yeah.
Not necessarily if the brand says it's for men or for women, you need to pick that.
It's based on your personality.
Yes, it's based on your personality, it's based on what you want to smell.
What is like from the 4 men perfumes that you mentioned earlier?
Okay.
Do you like one of them and do you wear one of them?
Yeah, I like one of them, which is the Prada Luna Rosa Spot.
Right.
Which is a very nice fragrance, something very nice and fresh, which I love to use it for the day.
Multiple picks from the expert herself.
Thank you.
I think I should buy all of this and keep, no?
Yes, you could.
Oh, she's sending it to me for free.
Okay.
Next most Googled question, Riddhi. Are you ready?
Yep.
All right, let's go. Where do we find the best deals on perfume? I know this answer.
Okay.
I'm an expert on this, Riddhi. Please,
Yes, please do answer it.
SSBeauty, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, you're right. And Shopper Stop.
I knew that also.
You get the best deal and the guarantee of authentication of the fragrances on SSBeauty and Shopper Stop.
We are here to fulfill the shopper in you. Last question is, do fragrance smell different on different people?
Yes. So this ideally basically depends on your body chemistry and the pH balance of your body. So basically how dry your skin is or how oily your skin is, that way with the body chemistry, the perfume reacts on you.
Yeah. Riddhi.
Yes.
Now we've attempted the most Googled fragrance questions.
Yes.
And you answered very well.
Thank you so much.
I learned a lot also today.
Thank you.
But on that note, I want to attempt something very gutsy.
Okay.
I don't think I'm capable of doing this, but we'll try anyway. I want to attempt saying EDP, EDT and EDC, the full forms.
Okay.
So EDP I'll try. Is that eau de parfum? Perfume?
No. It's eau de parfum.
That's what I said, no?
No. Perfume, parfum.
Eau de parfum?
Eau de parfum, yes.
Correct, okay.
Yes, that's
now
good.
EDC.
Yeah.
That's also that eau de only, whatever.
Eau de.
Eau de.
Eau de cologne.
Eau de cologne.
Yes.
And then eau de toilet.
Yes.
That's easy. Touch up. Eau de parfum, eau de cologne, and eau de toilet.
Wow, you did it!
Guys, this paycheck is doubled now. If you guys like watching us, then
like, share and subscribe
to the SSBeauty YouTube channel. Also press the bell icon so that you can get a notification every time there's a new video like this on this YouTube channel. You can also buy all the fragrances that we mentioned in this video. Go buy. I will see you later.